It's liquidy, like, all right, putting it in. Oh my God, it's literally a liquid. Oh my gosh. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. My name is Will, and today we're gonna, okay. All right, who's this? All right, hello? 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 Who's there? Okay. Let me figure out who that was. Okay. Oh, okay. It was my sanity. Yep, my sanity hung up on me again. This is insane. Today, I'm going to try a shampoo that you don't rinse out.
You're not good, and it's okay. You don't need to be good all the time. It's okay to not be good.
The other day, I was thinking, oh my God, he has a brain. I want to go camping. Or better yet, put me on Survivor. I just want to live in the woods for a little bit. Cool idea, right? Right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. But why, the people ask? Honestly, it just sounds fun. But that also got me to thinking, how in the name of an Annalise Keating wig am I supposed to keep up with my hair in a desert, in the jungle, in the mountains? If I were to ever have to live in the woods for real, scalp, nasty. Hair, nasty. Swamp water wash day? Ew. Because newsflash, they don't sell cocoa curling cream in the middle of the jungle. Although Mowgli's hair was looking laid and slayed in this promo for the Jungle Book. Like, what's going on in the jungle? Like, is that the Pantsing Gold series? Anyway, all of that got me to researching, how in the actual heck am I able to clean my hair in the wood? Click, 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 and boom. I found this. You can't see it. I'll come closer. Y'all, this right here is a waterless wash day in a bottle. Made for your local caveman. No shower, no morals, bada boom, bada bing. And I'm ready if you're ready. Okie dokie. So finally time to try this thing out. I have it right here, the no rinse shampoo. You can see on the front, it says wait, can you even see that? Girl, what's going on? What you about to do? You about to focus? Absolutely no rinsing necessary. I'm gonna read exactly what it says on the back because I was low-key shook. So it says the no rinse shampoo is the comfortable, convenient, and safe. It better be. Safe alternative to traditional shampoos. It's pH balanced to be mild and non-irritating to the scalp, and the no-rinse shampoo leaves the hair sparkling clean, odor-free, soft, and manageable. Your traditional shampoos dramatically change the pH of your hair, and you need to neutralize that with a conditioner follow-up. But this is actually pH balanced already, so I was like, okay, cool. And apparently, girl, it's used by NASA. Apply until the hair is completely wet, massage into hair, and then towel dry thoroughly with a soft, absorbent towel. I have this failed twist out that we're gonna be working on today. It felt so hard, y'all. Girl, this twist out had to drop out. I'm just gonna test this out on a small section first because I'm not trying to like play myself. I'm thinking maybe that much. What I'm looking for is like for my scalp to be cleaned and for my hair to be soft afterwards. It does have some product in it, and I wanna see if it like absorbs that product and gets rid of it. I'm real curious, so let's go ahead and try this. I'm kind of scared. I have my towel here just in case, but let's go ahead and oh, it's liquidy, like, all right, putting it in. Oh my God, it's literally a liquid. I'm putting it on my scalp. Oh my gosh. Let me rub this through. I'm like, it's weird. It's kind of foaming up a little bit. Let me put some more on there. It kind of foams up a little bit. That's interesting. You gotta put enough in there until it's wet, apparently, so I'm gonna keep putting more in there. Let me make sure I get my scalp. This is like a dry shampoo, but like a wet shampoo. That was funny! Alright, I feel like I put in enough. My hands are definitely like a little bit oily, so maybe it's working. So let's go ahead and just dry this from root to tip. Okay, this is so weird. If this is like a thing that works, girl. Okay, so I'm feeling my hair. And it feels good. Do y'all see that? It's kind of shiny. Ooh. Y'all see that shine? Some of my hair right here in this section is short because I shaved my sides once upon a time, and then I grew them back out, and then I shaved them again, but then I don't know if it like cleaned my hair for sure, because it feels oily almost. I can tell that my hair is definitely a bit more shiny than it was before I started, but like I want it to be clean. My hair's like frizzy, huh? Okay, so this is kind of weird. The no rinse shampoo left my hair a frizzy hot mess, but a shiny frizzy hot mess. Is my hair clean? I don't know. I feel like I had the opposite effects where it actually made my hair a bit more oily. Let me wipe some more. Maybe I didn't dry it enough. Okay, so it feels a bit more clean now. I think you just have to really wipe your hair. Now my hair feels clean and still sort of shiny. If I was in the woods, what would I do now?
What I do?
I'm gonna have to find some wild coconuts to make some cocoa butter. Girl, make a styler out of some mud. I don't know. Cause then I'm gonna just be walking around with this frizz and it's not cute to me. Or I guess I could just like twist it up, right? I do have to say that my hair feels extra soft. It's just frizzy. Ew, how y'all feeling about this? This is not the cutest twist that I've ever done, but it is nice and soft. So from what I saw in the mirror, my scalp didn't get that clean. So I'm actually going to try it again on my scalp in the bathroom, and I'll come right back to show you all, I guess, the results. I'm in the bathroom. Ooh, and I'm just like wiping this stuff into my scalp. I really want it to work because I feel like this has such high potential. If NASA is using it, why can't I? The bottom is real easy to apply because there's this little nozzle on the top. You don't even really need to squeeze it that much. It just sort of like flows out. Just wipe it in. Go in multiple times. They recommend that if your hair is heavily soiled. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Whoa. You guys, my scalp, can y'all see that? My scalp is so clean. I am shook. That is my biggest issue with my natural hair is my scalp. Constantly like having to moisturize it. I'm constantly having to clean it because I'm moisturizing it so much. And I've never seen something just get it this clean. You just pour it on and you wipe it off. That's... Already I can see this is something that I will continue to use, especially if I'm wearing braids or twists, because you know, 4 days in and all of a sudden it's like, oh, this hair is on fire, girl. Okay, so what did we learn here today? Nothing, I know, but bear with me, okay? Speaking of bears, this would be great on a camping trip. You thought I was gonna dump my entire head in a rolling river for fish bacteria to start building townhomes on this scalp? This right here is the future, or honestly, the present. Like this is used in so many different scenarios already. People on camping trips, people use this in the hospital, you know, if a patient can't get up to go to the shower. And like I said, they also use this literally in space.
And I take my no-rinse shampoo and squirt it also on the scalp and rub it in. Again, kind of working it out to the ends.
It's the future, it's the present, it's no rinse shampoo.
I stand out. I'm unique and I'm beautiful. It's like, I got this.
How I feel this will be useful in my own hair care routine is when I'm doing protective styles, when I'm bundling my hair up and my scalp is all exposed and it starts to itch after a while and I don't want to, you know, take out my entire protective style just to wash my hair. I will go in with something like this. I actually remember when Shea Moisture put out a product just like this in their protective styles line. And I remember standing in the aisle with another woman and we were looking at the product and we were like, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? But maybe I'll try that one as well, given that this works, because I know that one is more intentional about nourishing your scalp. But I really want to know what you guys think. So comment down below if you've ever used this product, what you think of it, how it worked for you. I'm going to go ahead and link this down below if any of you are interested in trying it out. But that brings us to the end of another episode of Will on a Whim. If you liked it, if you learned something, go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up. And if you want to stick around and be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I have 2 Instagrams now, at WillNotWilly and _WillOnAWhim. I also have a second YouTube channel, Will on a Whim More, so go ahead and follow me there. But I hope to see you all back here real soon for another episode of Will on a Whim. But until then, bye.
Yak it to the yak, yak it to